Okay, hello, greetings, and welcome everybody. All right, so a quick update. I have a venue booked in Mexico for February, March, April, and May, and so we've got a series of workshops there. There's a workshop on hermetics, one on Qigong in early February, from 1st of March. There's a 10-week and a 10-day course starting on Tai Chi. So we can go through the intrinsic energies. It's going to be pretty much bouncing your partner all day, issuing after the first couple of days, getting everyone tuned into the feeling of life force, how to mobilize the Qi, and how to produce the different types of Jin. And so that'll go for 10 weeks. And anyone interested in attending that, just drop me an email, let me know. We've got a few people for each of the workshops already, so there's enough to get it booked. If you want to attend, I can send you a GPS or a Google Map link to the location of the venue, and so I can get a sense of how many people want to come. Just let me know as soon as possible. Here in Vancouver on the 18th of January, we've got a 10-day hermetics workshop. This will be for intermediate to advanced students. We'll be going through the key exercise in the initiation text, and we'll be doing data yoga and evoking selected beings from each of the planetary spheres, and we'll do that every 10 days. So it's not for beginners. If you're highly empathic and very sensitive to energy, you'd be able to attend. But the first half of the workshop will be refining one's ability to feel energy and work up and down the vibrational scale, work with Akasha and light. And then the next 5 days will be data yoga and working with the different planetary spheres. So if you want to attend that, that's going to be here in Vancouver from the Monday the 18th, I think it is, but check my calendar on the website. I've also put the dates for all the other workshops there on the website, so if you want to attend, have a look there. And I've also got an open spot in May for one workshop for a couple of weeks in mid-May. If you're wanting to come to that, I haven't set the topic yet, so we might do Wing Chun, we might do Qigong, we might do a different topic altogether, a healing workshop, something along those lines. But if you have a suggestion for that May workshop, let me know, and I'll put it on the schedule. All right. So if you have any questions about it, about any of the workshops, we had one fellow who wants to do the 10-week, but he can't do the whole 10 weeks. Yep, that's fine as well. If you can only get to half or 3/4 of it, it's no problem. All the training fees and course fees and so forth are on the website, markrasmus.org. There's information there. Once you've had a look at that, just let me know. And even if you want to come, you're not quite sure if you can get time off work, let me know so I can get a general idea of the possibility of any additional numbers for those workshops. Okay, anyway, thank you for your time, and see you on the next video.